Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, I will show you how you can use voice search in your TV. For this, first open YouTube app on your TV and log in with your Google account. Then what you have to do, select search bar from here. Then if you use it first time, then you have to select allow YouTube to access microphone. Select allow from here. After allowing, your voice command is being sent to YouTube. Now what you have to do, just press the search bar from your remote control, then speak, and you will see speak now. Now if you say anything, it will be showing your search result like this. If you say web verification, it will be showing your results, and that's it. That's how you can use voice search in YouTube TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.